Krishna students, today we are going to learn very important chapter, that is Karma Karaha. Please open your book, page number 52, chapter number 14 to learn this Karma Karaha. Karma Karaha means objective case. Okay, so first you have to learn the rules of Karma Karaha. Okay, see what are the rules? For masculine gender, o, an. For feminine gender, e, aha. For neuter gender, e, ani. O, an. E, aha. E, ani. Yes, you are thinking that we know that rules. Where we have learned. Are you thinking like that? Yes, you learned these rules and last year as a Ditya Vibhakti. Am I right? So this is, you can say, Karma Karak rules or Ditya Vibhakti rules. Both are correct. Why? Because Karma Karak ke Ditya Vibhakti. When you will learn the Karak na, that time you will see that Karma Karak ke we are using Ditya Vibhakti. Probably we are using Ditya Vibhakti. Okay. Many things we are using, many vibhakti we are using, but those things are exceptional. No need to learn those things now. You have to learn only one thing. What? That is karma karake ditya vibhakti. That's why these rules we can say karma karak rules or ditya vibhakti rules. Okay. So let's, I am writing or ditya vibhakti. Ditya vibhakti. Okay, same rules. Now let's see. कर्ता कारक में प्रथमा और कर्म कारक में द्वितीया. That means कर्ता कारक. We can say in Sanskrit कर्ती कारक. What? कर्ती कारक always प्रथमा विभक्ति and कर्म कारक always द्वितीया विभक्ति. What are the कर्ती कारक rules? That means प्रथमा विभक्ति rules. ओहो ओ आहा. आ ए आहा. E, ani. That first rules you have learned in class 3. Okay, those things. That is Prathama Vibhakti rules. Am I right? So Prathama Vibhakti rules means only you learn that masculine gender rules, feminine gender rules, neuter gender rules. You learn those things only called Prathama Vibhakti rules or Kartikarak rules. Okay, and now Karma Karak rules. So this is Karma Karak rules. O, an. E, aha. E, ani. Okay. Now see the chapter. Ramaha khagam pashyati. Ram is watching the birds. Sorry, it should be bird because it is ekavachanam. Ram is watching the bird. Pitamaha khagau pashyati. See. Grandfather is watching 2 birds. Okay. Nandini Khagan Pashyati sees Nandini. She is watching the birds. So Nandini is watching many birds. See, many birds are there. You have to learn here the roop. Karma Karak. What are the roop? Masculine gender. Khagaha masculine gender. You know that. So you have to apply these rules. Am I right? What rules? O, an. See? O, an. Khagam, khago, khagan. Okay? That's why you are learning this chapter. O, an. Khagam, khago, khagan. Okay? Now you will see the feminine gender. Mala, feminine gender. So which rules will apply? We will apply e, aha. So let's see. Bandana malam dharayati. Bandana is wearing the garland. See, dharayati means you can say dharan kara in Bengali or in English you can say wearing. Poridhan kara. Okay, like this. Dharan means poridhan. In Bengali you can say poridhan kara. Or in Sanskrit you can say dharayati. Mohila male pashyati. The woman is touching. Touch kara. Okay, touch. Chhoa. Sporsho kara. So the woman is touching 2 garlands. Prishyati means touching. Okay. Balika malaha gumfati. Gumfati means stringing. Bona. Okay. Mala gatha, gatha, not bona. Mala, about mala we are telling that gatha. Amra mala gathi, তাই তো? So gatha means gumpati. The girl is stringing many garlands. See, he's stringing many garlands. Okay, so what are the rules I told? A aha. See, malam, male, malaha. A aha. Okay, now see the neuter gender. Sukaha phalam khadati. The parrot is eating fruit. Bijayaha phale khadati. Bijay is eating 2 fruits. Uma phalani khadati. Phalani khadati, many fruits in her hand. So Uma is eating many fruits. Okay, now see the rules. A ani. Before only you learn that prathama and ditya vibhakti rules are same. Yes, prathama vibhakti rules also A ani, phalam phale phalani. Ditya vibhakti rules also A ani. Sorry, I forget to write. These rules also are applicable here. And where you have to write the ani, this ana. If before now we are getting shia, kshia, ra, tro, sha means modina sha, those things if we are getting, then after this no will be ana, moddhe na hoye jabe. Okay, ana, ana means in Sanskrit, in Bengali moddhe na, in Sanskrit you are telling ana. Okay, so what is the rules? Phalam phale phalani. See, A ani. So A ani, phalam phale phalani. No, because before now we are not getting this kshia, those things. That's why ra, ri, those things. That's why we are not getting here. That's why simple no. If we are getting those things, if patrani, then definitely ana. Okay, don't forget the rules. Now go to next page. Okay, you have to learn this meaning. Then see here. Definitely it is in Hindi, but you are learning Sanskrit from many years. That's why you can read and understand also. Then also I am telling in Bengali and English. Okay, just see now. क्रिया से संबंध रखने वाले संज्ञा और सर्वनाम कारक है, अर्थात वाक्य में जिन संज्ञाओं और सर्वनामों का संबंध क्रिया से होता है उन्हें कारक कहते हैं. That means which one called कारक? That one only called कारक which one is related to the verb. Which two are related to the verb? Either subject or pronoun, those things also called कारक. Okay, if anything is there in a sentence which are related to the verb, those things called कारक. If something is there in a sentence which are not related to the verb, that one not called कारक. Maybe it is in a sentence, but that will not call कारक. Those things only we can call कारक. Which things are related to the verb? Which thing related to the verb? I am telling again and again. Verb is most important things in a sentence. Okay, if anything related with the verb, that one called कारक. Okay, if subject or pronoun is related with the verb, then it is also कारक. And that time it will come karma karti कारक and karma कारक. Okay, many कारक are there. See how many कारक are there? Actually 6 कारक are there. This is karta, karma, karan, sampradhan, apadan, adhikaran. That means karti, karma, karan, sampradhan, apadan and adhikaran. Okay, we can say in Sanskrit karti कारक, karma कारक, karan कारक, sampradhan कारक, apadan कारक and adhikaran कारक. Okay, but vibhakti, if you say vibhakti are 7th vibhakti are there. How? You will learn slowly. Okay, you have to learn now only karma karake ditya vibhakti. Okay, and karti karake what? Prathama vibhakti. Karti karake prathama vibhakti, karma karake ditya vibhakti. Actually karma karak means object. Okay, So how many vibhaktis are there? 7 vibhaktis are there. प्रथमा से सप्तमी. ओके. कारक और वचन के बोधक चिन्ह को विभक्ति कहते हैं. कारक और वचन के बोधक चिन्ह साइन. Which sign are explaining that this is karak or vachan? Those sign are called vibhakti. Like here we can say these rules are showing that which karak and which vibhakti it is. Am I right? For that, if you will get these rules, then you can say easily that those things are द्वितीय विभक्ति. ओके. कर्तिकारक है द्वितीय विभक्ति. ओके. If these rules are applied, that means द्वितीय विभक्ति only. कर्मकारक है द्वितीय विभक्ति. If I say that malam, which कारक है which विभक्ति? Definitely कर्मकारक है द्वितीय विभक्ति. Because these rules are applied here ना. आम rules are applied here ना. That's why कर्तिकारक है द्वितीय विभक्ति. Okay. If I say bandana, this one subject one. Subject means always karta. Am I right? Subject means karta. মানে যে কাজটা করে সে তো কর্তা, বাক্যের কর্তা যে কাজটা করে তাহলে সেটা কর্তিকারক. So bandana is a karta here. That's why she is kartikarake prathama vibhakti. And malam is the object. That's why karmakarake ditiya vibhakti. And dharayati is the verb. Both are related with the dharayati. If I ask to verb, who is wearing the garland? What answer will come? Bandana. So this is the subject. That means kartikarak. And if I ask what bandana is wearing, that time object answer will come. That means malam. That's why it is karmakarake ditiya vibhakti. Okay. So always you will ask the question by what. Okay. Or to whom. For this karmakarak. Okay. What or to whom. So whom means to whom or what. If we will ask by this question to the verb, কাকে প্রশ্ন করব? verb কে প্রশ্ন করব. If we will ask to the verb by this question, then answer will come. That answer should be karmakarake ditiya vibhakti. Okay. Now what things you have to do? You have to just memorize this. Okay. Then easily if I give in exam one sentence by see this sign or by see this word, you can understand this is karmakarake ditiya vibhakti. That's why you have to memorize. Okay. And I can give fill in the blanks also in exam. So norom noro noran, feminine gender. Latam lati lataha, neuter gender. Phalam phale phalani. Now sarvanam. Tat. Tom to tan. Tat strilingo. Tam te taha. Tat nopungshaklingo. Tat te tani. Kim punglingo. Kom ko kan. Kim strilingo. Kam ke kaha. Kim nopungshaklingo. Kim ke kani. Okay, you have to memorize. Very, very important things it is. Okay, so this much only your today's CW. And please write this part in your book only. And memorize nicely. Okay, very important thing this is. So page number 52 and 53 your CW. Okay. And HW also. Reading HW. That means you have to read and learn nicely. Okay. Karmakarake ditiya vibhakti. That's all. Hare Krishna.